A full RV costs $100,000, takes a special license to drive, burns fuel like a furnace. A tent weighs 3 pounds and leaves you one rainstorm away from misery. Neither of those is the answer. These 5 machines are: camping bikes and trikes that carry your shelter, your bed, and your entire mobile home, powered by your legs and a battery, and park anywhere a bicycle can go. You won't believe they exist, but the world's boldest engineers built them anyway. Number 1. 3 vehicles, 1 machine. Zero compromises. The BeTriton is the camping trike that you won't believe exists because no single product should be able to do what this one does without doing any of it badly. It rides on land as a fully electric trike. Pedal assist power carries you and your shelter across roads, bike paths, and off-road terrain with a range that makes day-long journeys completely realistic. Stop at your destination and the BeTriton becomes a camper. The integrated shelter system deploys from the body of the trike itself. No unpacking, no separate tent to pitch in fading daylight. The sleeping space is built in, protected, elevated, and ready in minutes. Then it hits the water. The BeTriton is amphibious. The same machine that carried you down a coastal road and sheltered you through the night converts to a boat, launching directly from the shore and crossing open water under its own power. Ride to a lake, sleep on the bank, wake up and paddle to the other side. That is one machine, one purchase, one vehicle handling 3 completely different environments without asking you to compromise on any of them. The BeTriton was designed by engineers who looked at the traditional camping vehicle problem, too big, too fuel-hungry, too dependent on roads, and answered it with something the world had genuinely never seen before. 3-in-1 isn't a marketing claim. On the BeTriton, it's a literal description of what drives into the water, makes camp, and carries you home. Number 2. Most bicycle campers ask you to choose between the bike and the shelter. Either the bike suffers under the weight of the camping setup, or the camping setup suffers from being stripped down to save the bike. Scout looked at that compromise and refused it. The Scout Stop and Stay is a bicycle camper system designed so that neither the ride nor the rest ever has to lose, and it's one of the most thoughtfully engineered bicycle campers you won't believe exists at this level of real-world practicality. The aerodynamic trailer attaches cleanly to any standard bicycle, designed with a drag profile that doesn't fight the rider on every incline and every headwind the way boxy trailer designs do. When you're ready to stop, the Scout deploys in under 2 minutes. The sleeping pod converts from its travel configuration to a fully enclosed shelter with a sleeping surface long enough for a full-size adult, weatherproofing that handles real conditions, and enough interior organization to keep your gear accessible without turning the space into a puzzle. The ventilation system is engineered for actual comfort, not the stifling, condensation-soaked sleep that poorly designed camping shelters produce on warm nights. Cargo capacity is distributed intelligently, weight balanced across the trailer axle so the bike's handling doesn't degrade as the load grows. The Scout isn't the lightest option on this list, but it's the option built by people who actually camped in it before they sold it. And the difference between designed by campers and designed for a brochure shows in every single detail. Number 3. The hardest problem in bicycle camping has always been the same. How do you carry enough shelter to actually sleep comfortably without adding so much weight that the bicycle stops being a bicycle and becomes a struggle? White Path Camper solved it, and the solution is one of the most elegant bicycle camping bikes you won't believe exists because it carries more than you think it can, weighs less than you think it does, and deploys faster than you think anything this capable should. The White Path Camper is a foldable bicycle trailer that carries the full camping setup in a compact aerodynamic form during the ride, then unfolds into a standing height shelter at camp. Standing height in a bicycle trailer that weighs under 50 kilograms fully loaded. The fold-out design creates a genuine living space, not a crawl-in sleeping bag situation. You stand up inside it, you move around inside it, you store your gear inside it with enough organization that you know where everything is at 6 a.m. without turning on a light. The sleeping platform is off the ground.
elevated on the trailer frame, keeping you away from ground moisture, insects, and the heat loss that ground-level sleeping accelerates. Weatherproofing is built into the shell, not an afterthought rain cover thrown over a fabric tent. The White Path Camper handles rain, wind, and morning dew the way a hard-shell shelter should. For the long-distance cyclist who refuses to sacrifice sleep quality for mobility, the White Path Camper is the answer that makes both possible at the same time. Number 4. Every gram matters on a bicycle. Every single gram, felt on every climb, every headwind, every kilometer between where you are and where you're sleeping tonight. ModyPlast understands that better than anyone building bicycle caravans right now, and the result is the ultra-light bicycle caravan you won't believe exists because it shouldn't be this light and still be this livable. The ModyPlast bicycle caravan is built from composite materials engineered for the specific demands of bicycle towing: maximum rigidity, minimum weight, a structural approach borrowed from aerospace and applied to camping. The interior is compact but genuinely functional, a sleeping space, storage organization, and weatherproofing in a package that the bicycle actually wants to pull rather than fights against at every incline. The aerodynamic profile isn't accidental. It was wind tunnel considered, shaped to reduce drag at the speeds a loaded touring bicycle actually travels, not at highway speeds that have nothing to do with human-powered transport. For minimalist tourers who want shelter without suffering for it, the ModyPlast bicycle caravan is the lightest serious camping solution on two wheels. Ultralight, unapologetically functional, built for riders who count grams and still want to sleep dry.
Number 5. An e-bike that becomes an RV. That sentence should not be possible, and yet here we are. The SpaceCamper Bike is the camping bike you won't believe exists because the gap between electric bicycle and rolling shelter has never been bridged by a single machine this compact, this clean, and this genuinely usable as both. The e-bike platform handles exactly as a quality electric bicycle should: pedal assist power, real range, a ride quality that makes covering ground feel effortless rather than exhausting. Then you stop, and the SpaceCamper Bike earns its name. Integrated storage and shelter components built into the bike's frame deploy into a sleeping and living configuration that turns the bicycle itself into the campsite infrastructure. No separate trailer, no towed unit. Everything is on the bike because the bike is the camper. The design philosophy is radical minimalism. Every component serves double duty. Every gram of added weight earns its place by solving a real camping problem rather than adding a feature nobody uses past the first night. For urban cyclists who want to disappear into the countryside on a Friday evening and reappear on Monday with a full weekend of outdoor living behind them, the SpaceCamper Bike makes that trip possible without a car, without a trailer hitch, and without a campsite reservation. Just the bike, and wherever you decide to stop. Thanks for watching TechQubix. Subscribe for more future tech.